how to turn off or on news notifications on Squarespace. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or on news notifications. First, open your browser and then click account settings, and now once you're here, click notifications, and here we'll find Squarespace news. Now you can turn it off or on just by one click, and after that just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. And if you can't find the notification settings here, just click on your profile and click notifications, and now just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.